Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Jeffrey Welcom and I'm Director of Outbound Product Management for Oracle Service Cloud.
And I'm Eric Ristabin, Director of Product Management and Enablement for Oracle Field Service Cloud.
And we're here to talk to you today about Oracle Field Service Cloud. This is an exciting product that can completely transform field operations. Eric, tell us a little bit more about it.
So OFSC is like an air traffic control system for all of your field operations. And to give you a feel of what we're talking about, let's take a look at the Core Manage module first.
All right, good. Let's take a look, everybody.
OFSC's Core Manage application provides an intuitive means to quickly assess events and resources in the field as changes occur. Routes for multiple resources or groups of resources can be selected from the organizational hierarchy called the resource tree, with pending activities reflecting estimated durations and travel times. Map View provides a geographical representation of the progression of a route, as well as a resource's travel between activities.
Okay, Eric, so clearly the tool provides tremendous visibility into field events. But I've also heard that Oracle Field Service Cloud has the unique ability to predict the future.
Well, Jeff, yeah, Oracle Field Service Cloud takes data that we collect from the field and uses it to accurately predict when future events are going to take place.
How can that possibly work? And the answer is ask Eric.
Essentially an ongoing time-motion study, OFSC tracks how long it takes an individual resource to perform specific types of activities, and then builds a unique profile or work footprint for each of them. Using predictive analytics, routes are custom-tailored to each resource. With this data, OFSC predicts when activities will happen, how long they'll take, and the impact that adjustments to them may have on other jobs. And to this point, OFSC provides dispatchers or supervisors with visual alerts to enable smart and intuitive exception management.
Very cool, Eric. But what about the managers who are actually out in the field themselves?
Right, so we have a really powerful tool for them as well. It's actually part of our mobility module. With OFSC's Field Resource Manager, supervisors can quickly and easily manage groups of resources directly on their mobile devices from any location. The Field Resource Manager not only dramatically increases a field supervisor's visibility of what's occurring in the field throughout the workday, it also provides them with powerful tools that allow them to respond to situations as they happen and avoid missed appointments or critical SLAs. Supervisors can manage administrative tasks on the go with consolidated views of resource calendars, work skills, and other key attributes.
But Eric, what about the technicians themselves?
We definitely haven't forgotten about them. They're very well covered. For mobile employees, OFSC Mobility is a comprehensive solution that empowers them with everything they need to succeed in the field, delivered securely to any smartphone or mobile device through a powerful browser-based application. Full offline capability allows employees to continue working in areas that have limited connectivity, and real-time access to work orders, customer data, and history enhances your field workers' productivity and self-sufficiency. The intuitive user interface is highly configurable and can be set up with dynamic workflows to support your specific business processes, providing and capturing critical activity and customer information. For example, resources can adjust travel time and activity durations as necessary with just a few clicks. The system is updated in real time and will show any impact on future scheduled activities on the resource's route, as well as on a dispatcher's or manager's display.
Wow, so you're saying that every tech can use whatever device they prefer and that their whole day is basically at their fingertips. Is there anything this technology can't do? I mean, even the work they're assigned is completely tailored to them.
That's right, and that's actually how routing works. And when it comes to producing those routes, the system has an enormous amount of flexibility, like being able to create different routing plans by different regions, organizations, or buckets. And the routing results are really easy to test. Just roll them back, modify them, and rerun. Wash, rinse, repeat.
Yeah, and I know with all this flexibility, almost every one of our customers tailors and configures a system to meet their own unique business goals.
Absolutely. Let me show you an example. Various assignment parameters within routing plans can further customize the routing process based on your specific requirements or needs, like routing based on required inventory, for one example. Configurable filters can further define routing priorities based on client-driven goals, allowing reoptimization of routes based on urgent work, a focus on ensuring on-time arrivals, or overall cost containment. So those jobs that were routed, they were all based on a specific customer's business rules and their available resources.
You know, and I think it's important to mention that the routing and job assignment in the Oracle Field Service Cloud is lightning fast. In fact, you can route all the jobs in the time it takes for someone to finish a cup of coffee. Just like that. Now, I was thinking, Eric, a lot of companies, when they're using these automated systems, have concerns about taking on too much or too little work.
It's a good point, Jeff. And it's a really common concern for many of our customers. And this is where capacity and quota management comes into play.
Cool, let's take a look.
In OFSC, you have the ability to set limits for the amount of work you want to book, and that could be done either based on the volume of resources that are available to perform the jobs, or based on different job types and times, just as a couple examples. Whether you prefer to stop booking at a point just before you're at capacity, or whether it's okay to overbook by a certain percentage or number of minutes, you can set your quota allocations appropriately. Booking rules like these vary by customer, and the capacity module is flexible enough to accommodate your unique preferences. Capacity and quota are managed at the bucket level in OFSC, and you have a variety of options regarding how to set them up. Whether you allocate quota by day, time slots, or even by work types, which are referred to here as capacity categories, you should ensure that you have adequate resources in place to handle the volume of work being booked and subsequently routed.
To that point, Eric, our customers aren't happy unless their customers are happy. And one of the great advantages of Oracle Field Service Cloud is that it ensures that no one is stuck at home waiting without knowing what's up with their appointments.
You're absolutely right about that, Jeff. OFSC was actually founded and originally developed to solve that specific problem. It's come a long way since then, to say the least, but the point of the communication module is to ensure that customers are always proactively kept in the loop regarding the status of those appointments. You've probably noticed by now that flexibility is the name of the game within Oracle Field Service Cloud, and it spans all aspects of field service management.
This is powerful technology, and we hope you enjoyed this quick tour of the system. Look for more videos like this as we explore more and more of the functionality of Oracle Field Service Cloud.
Thanks for watching.